Poha is a Maharashtrian snack and a breakfast made with flattened rice. It is an easy to cook, tasty, and nutritious snack as well, due to which it has become extremely popular all over the world. Hello everyone, I'm Meenakshi and welcome back to my channel Giggles. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can make this quick and nutritious snack at home. The ingredients are: I have taken 1 katori poha. This is the thick poha. Few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon rye, then 2 onions finely chopped and 1 capsicum finely chopped. Now in a kadai or a pan, add 1 to 2 teaspoon oil to it. Firstly, you need to add rye to it. Saute for few seconds, and when it makes crackle sound, you can add curry leaves to it and again saute for another half a minute. Adding veggies is a personal choice. You can add here potatoes, peas and carrots too, but make sure you are adding boiled potatoes here. I will be adding here only capsicum and onions because of the weight loss concerned. Now you need to saute the mixture till the onions become tender and soft. So it will take around 4 to 5 minutes. You need to saute it very well, like I am doing. Now you can add 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon haldi, half teaspoon red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon garam masala to your mixture. Now cook for another 1 minute. I love to eat poha at least once or twice a week. It is a very good breakfast option if you are on a diet. Now you can keep the gas on low flame. After that, take poha, rinse under running water just once, strain the excess water with the help of a strainer and straight away add to your pan or kadai. Please remember, rinse your poha in water just once. Now add the poha directly to your mixture. This poha is very easy to make. It requires almost no cooking. The flattened rice need to be rinsed just once and that's about it, and there's no need to cook like any other grain. Now you need to mix the poha till it is well combined with all other ingredients. Make sure that you cook on medium flame so that your poha doesn't stick at the bottom of the kadai. There are 2 varieties in poha and I have used the thick poha that comes in the packing. It's of Shakti Bhog brand, so you can use the same. Otherwise, make sure that it is thick poha. So after I have mixed the poha well, I'll be transferring in a bowl in which I want to serve. I just love the color it comes in the poha, and seriously it is a very delicious breakfast and a very good option for your brunch. So now after I have transferred in a bowl, I'll be squeezing half lemon to my poha mixture and it's done. Okay, those who are not worrying on the extra calories, so you can add malai sevia to your poha and few peanuts to it. It really tastes amazing, guys, but I avoid it when I am on a diet. My poha is ready to be served. Add extra zing to poha by serving it with mint or coriander chutney. The link is given in the description box as how you can make this chutney. So if you like my video, please give a big thumbs up and I'll see you next time in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.